Very good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen about the mean. So mean of the grouped data. Now let us see the ungrouped data mean. So for example, ungrouped data mean can be given as x bar is equals to sum of observations by number of observations. So let us take a question. It's an oral question. Find the mean of 3, 6, 12, 10, 4, 6. So we have to do the word solution in this manner. Given observations 3, 6, 12, 10, 4, 6. Number of observations so totally there are 6. So x bar is equals to, formula we need to write first, sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations is 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 10, 4, 6 by 6. So it is 3 plus 6, 9. So 9 plus 22 plus 10, 32 by 6. 41 by 6. So it's almost approximately is equals to 7. 6 7s are 42, so it is approximately equals to 7. So this is all about the mean of ungrouped data. Next, let us see about the median. So median of ungrouped data. So if n is odd, that is number of observations is odd, so median formula will be n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, number of observations is even, then median is equals to n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 to term average. So these are the formulas. So let us take a question. Find the median of 2, 4, 10, 8, 6. So how to do the word solution for this? Given observations two, 4, 10, 8, 6. The arrangement of observations in increasing order or decreasing order, whatever it is. The arrangement of observations. So let us arrange the observations in increasing order. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, number of observations. Here the number of observations are 5, which is odd. So if it is odd, we have the formula like median is equals to n plus 1 by 2th term. So that is, so median equals to n is 5, 5 plus 1, by 2th term. So 6 by 2, that is third term. So in your increasing order, what is the third term here? 6. So median answer is 6. Let us take another question based on even. Oral question, find the median of two comma 4 comma 1 0 5 8. So let us see the word solution for this. So given observations, two, 4, 1, 0, 5, 8. Arrangement of observations in order. So let us arrange in increasing order. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Number of observations. Six, which is even. So median is equals to n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. So n by 2 means 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1th term average, that is third and fourth term. Third and fourth term average. So in the given increasing order, this is third and fourth term. So that is 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2, which is 3. So median is 3. Let us take the median of the group data 1 question. So exercise 14.3. Okay, the question is exercise 14.3. Question is, the following are the frequency distribution of the electric bill paid by 68 consumers. So monthly consumption. So the class intervals are 65 to 85, 85 to 105, and so on. Number of consumers are 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, and 4. So this is the question. First, let us try to understand what is the formula to be used for finding the median. So median formula is, for group data, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is lower boundary of median class, n number of frequency, so n is number of frequency, next frequency above median class, frequency in median class, H length of class interval. So these are the parameters for finding the median. Formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. It may be small n by 2 also. So CF, F, L. So these all are the formulas. So these are the parameters which we have to know. So let us start solving this question. So monthly consumption So monthly consumption, number of consumers, so 65 to 85, 105 to 125, 152 not 5. So 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Okay, next, cumulative frequency. So while we are finding the median, we have to make sure that whether the frequencies should be there in the increasing and decreasing order. If they are there in the increasing order directly, that is cumulative frequency. If they are there in the increasing and decreasing order, we need to convert these frequencies into cumulative frequency. First write first frequency as it is. Next add these two. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 21. 21 plus 20, 41. 41 plus 14, 55. 55 plus 8, 63. Plus 4, 67. So here there is a mistake. 22. Here 42. 56. 64. 68. Okay, next. So here first we need to do n by 2, that is 68 by 2, which is 34. So where is 34 here? Here it can be here. So this will be CF and this will be F and this will be L. So this is called as median class. Median class. So n by 2. And cumulative frequency is 22, frequency is 20, lower boundary is 125. Now let us use the median formula, and H is 20. Gap between the class intervals, upper boundary minus 20, 85 minus 65 will be 20. So median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, let me do the calculation this side. So median is equals to L, lower boundary is 125 plus n by 2, 34 minus cumulative frequency 22 by 20 into 20. 20 gets cancelled. So 125 plus 12, that is 137. So this is the median.